teachers, guardians and others. At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am Nabha Khatun. I am in class 5 in this school. Really, I am proud of my school. The teachers of this school are very friendly. They teach us Bangla, English, mathematics, science, general knowledge, Al-Quran very easy way. We participate many cultural programs whole year. That program ready to all students very strong and competitive. That grow up our confidence level. Now we believe that we are not only a national child but also international child. So we confirmed it's a great school for your child. At last, we want your prayer for us. Thanks you all. Assalamu alaikum.